Take you out to our radar this morning where we have some downpours popping up here across Owen County. We have one in Owenton right now that is going to be dropping off to the south towards places like Breck. Hallam. Pleasant Home is dry. No lightning with that. And it looks like we maybe had one that popped up just south of that there. Didn't have a zoom in for you, but that just developed here in the last couple of minutes. Places towards Droughton right now, looking at some sprinkles. So that's going to be dropping eastward. Maybe again, couple flying as you make your way out towards Williamstown and places up north. But a lot of us here looking pretty dry as you head up north of Dry Ridge this morning. All associated with a very slow moving pesky frontal system here, essentially stalled out overhead. But what we're going to find is some showers developing in and around that front as we go through this morning. Watching rounds of thunderstorms to push in as we head towards this evening. Potential for a line of storms, more organized line to come in as we head through the second half of today. Today is a weather impact day because of those storms. We're looking at temperatures in the upper 80s. Again, some of those storms could become severe, and we've been talking about the humidity. You can feel it. It's very tropical. Storms are going to really work with that today to produce that heavy rain flooding threat. Again, that flood watch in place for the WLWT viewing area as we go through Monday morning. We're also under a slight risk of severe weather. That's a level 2 out of a 5 scale. So we are looking at potential for some storms with damaging winds as we head through this evening. I don't think we can entirely rule out a spin-up tornado, especially if we get that line developing tonight. And again, we're also looking at heavy rain threat with this as well. Futurecast as we go through your morning is going to show clouds and sunshine. I think generally dry aside from those pop-ups that develop. And then anytime after 3, we're looking at rounds of storms to come in. A lot of models bringing in some clusters of storms as you head towards 3 to around 6 o'clock in the evening. I will say if we can get some heavy thunderstorms earlier in the afternoon and evening, even if some of these are severe, that would take down any kind of a threat for at least stronger weather as you head towards that sunset time frame. Models trying to bring in this line of storms. So if we do not see earlier thunderstorms or at least high of coverage, I think potential for a good line of storms with damaging winds here. But that would be through sunset, and then that would continue to drop eastward as we head through midnight. So I think behind this, we could see some areas of heavy rainfall and even into Monday morning. That's why that flood watch is out through your Monday time frame. For tonight, I kept the weather impact just due to times of heavy rainfall, temperatures of around 70, and then tomorrow cooler day, 83, and we'll have some slow clearing after that morning rain comes through. Tuesday, Wednesday, very hot, humid days, upper 80s on Tuesday and then low 90s on Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, both weather impact days for you. Again, heat and humidity. This is going to be that type of humid that's very much like Florida. It's going to be very heavy air. It's going to play into that hot weather that we're feeling. And I think our feels like temperatures at around 100, possibly above for some communities. But don't see a lot of rainfall Thursday into Friday. We're also looking at scattered storms as we head into your weekend.